How to rearrange or reorder camera mode shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then launch the camera app. From here, swipe across and tap on More. Next, to rearrange the items in here, you want to tap on Edit. Once you are in edit mode, swipe across here and then you can choose which items goes where. So let's say I want to place a jewelry code, so I want to move it to the right hand side. I can do that. I can move single take to the front, so I move it to the front and then tap on save after you have rearranged your shortcuts, and then tap on saved, and that's it. So now when you launch your camera, all your mods will be placed according to your changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.